Hi, today we're going to talk about payment agreements, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create payment agreement PDF files completely on automation. So this is a simple Google document where I have created a sample payment agreement template file, and with the help of this Google document and a corresponding Notion database which I have created, we're going to completely automate the process of generating PDF file. So essentially we'll be creating a PDF file one by one for every row of this database, payment agreement database, with the help of this particular database and this template file that we have created in a Google document. So how exactly will this work? First of all, head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the automation setup. Click on get started and simply choose a particular account which you're going to use for the automation setup. So I'm going to choose one of my accounts from this list and click on continue, and make sure when you are signing in just enable this checkbox. This is very crucial, which is going to create the automation setup for us, and click on continue. And once you're logged in, first we need to add a Notion database, and after that we need to add the Google document, and then we can create the automation. So in order to add the Notion database, click on add Notion database, and then we are going to select the database from the list. So make sure you choose the right account, click on select pages, and I'll just copy the database name from here. So I'll just copy this name. I'll go back to my input field and I will just put the name over here. Okay. So you can see payment agreement database coming here. Click on this and it is automatically added. So you can see the payment agreement database coming over here. Click on allow access. And now I will be able to see the database in the drop down. So I'll just select the drop down and I will just be able to see this. So just refresh it once and you will be able to see the database coming up over here. So you can see the payment agreement database appearing here. Click on this and it will automatically fetch all the values of the database. So you can see it loaded up 3 records from the database. So basically it just fetched all the records from this database. Now let's click on next and let's add the Google document. So click on add Google Doc and you will be able to add the document. So let me copy the entire document title from here and I will put it inside the search box and I will just search for it. So you can see payment agreement sample template coming here. Click on this to select. So now I can see the payment agreement sample template file visible over here, and I can also see all the Notion properties on the right side. Okay. So now it's time to start mapping the fields. So basically I need a date property over here. So if you see the database, I already have a date property in this column. What I can do is I can simply type the date field over here and it will automatically show me the date. Click to copy this value, then just go to the document and remove this particular part and simply Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay. So I just click to copy and paste the value. Then we need a payer name. Okay. So I'll just get the payer name, payer full name, click to copy and just put it over here. So I'll just remove this and I will paste it. Let me put it in bold. Then we need the payer address. So I already have the payer address. Click to copy and just put it over here. So all we need to do is copy and paste. Okay. Then I need the pay name. So let me get the pay name. So I have the pay full name. Click to copy and simply paste it over here. So you can use Control V or Command V to paste it. Then we need the pay address. I'm going to stop here after we get the pay address. Click to copy and paste it over here. Obviously, you can go ahead and map all the other fields that are there in the document. I'm going to stop here as I've mapped these many fields for the automation setup. So once the automation setup is, the mapping is all done, just click on download PDF. And here you have multiple options by selecting a range or any custom rows. I'm going to go with all the rows. And this is where you define what the name of the file will be. Okay. So in my database, I want to generate the file by the name of the payee. So I can select payee full name. So I'll just open up this drop down and I will select payee full name from this list. So I'll just select payee full name. This is the exact name I want to select. Click on start. So now it will start generating the file. I'm fetching the values from this pay full name and it will automatically name the PDF file as per that. So you can see the first file has been generated, Alice Brown. Let's wait as other files are getting populated, then we can start seeing the files. So it has already generated 3 PDFs. Let's go to the download folder and you can see Alice Brown coming up over here. And you can see the date field has been mapped. This has been mapped from the database that we had over here, which is this particular database with the date field that has been mapped over here, and also the party name has the and the address have also been mapped. Okay, let me open up the second file, Jane Smith. This has also been correctly mapped, and then we have John Doe. which has also been mapped. So basically we have three files which have been fetched from the database, and it has been automatically mapped using the values from the database. So this is how simple and easy it is to use this automation. All you need to do is add the database, add the document, and start mapping by simply click to copy and paste the same on the document and generate the PDF file. Okay. If you have any questions, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to take up your issues, or you can use this chat window to send me a message directly. I'll take up all your issues on this particular automation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.